Are you ready for some weekly shenanigans?
You need to go outside and go poop. You need to go outside and go poop. You have smelly farts? Hi, honey. We're gonna make you internet famous. Just roll your window down so you can hear what I've got to say. Cody. Oh.
What?
Shenanigans are about to happen.
Shenanigans.
I'm gonna go touch all the toilets.
With your...
With my fingers. Oh.
Johnny, angry Johnny, this is... Don't want no...
The wind stopped as soon as I recorded. The ghost didn't know. Look, it's almost time for the leaves to fall. At a haunted house.
Not like a cleaning one, but like we'll just go to a haunted house.
I don't think that anyone would want to see us cleaning a haunted house. Okay.
The lights are just flickering in the background. Don't worry about them.
She's mad that we cleaned the dust spot. Oh, I tried to scare you. It's only me that gets scared, I take it. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, have an amazing day.